Hello. Update for you. I finished one side, closing up this wall. I did an overnight camp in the bush. Very scary by myself. And I found out that I was putting the curtain here and kind of didn't like it, and the light was coming through, so decided next step is to close this off. The bed's kind of cool. Bed's all set up, if you can see that. Probably not. So this is what I done tonight. I went to Bunnings. I'm not sure if you can be able to see this. I'm just going to show you. Went to Bunnings, bought some carpet, and I've mounted it onto here with, what have I used? I used this glue, spray fix, and I've cut out MDF, so that's the MDF board. Cut that out and then glued that on and used a nail gun to just get in where the frame is, so it's nice and tight. So we'll let that dry overnight. It was a pain in the ass, but we got there in the end. I did cut it incorrectly, so silly me. So yeah, that's one side done. I'll do the other side tomorrow, and then I'm going to put a door here, and I'll do that. Insulate it, earth wall, soundproof sheets, which I'm still waiting for them to come. So that will be next.